Birds are intelligent. Imagine being told that because you're small, that you aren't smart or intelligent. Birds have to hear that every day. You're such a bird brain. The intent for this is to be an insult. However, is it? Though birds have tiny brains, may seem dumb and quite frankly dorky, it is hard to say that being a bird brain is a true insult. Birds are intelligent. They are found to be clever because they have observant personalities, are playful and humored, and complex thinkers. My first reason is because birds have high intelligence through means of observant personalities. This skill can be found in almost everything they do. My first example for this is pigeons. Pigeons are able to remember human faces, and they're able to navigate their way home even if they were blindfolded. My second reason is because songbirds are able to remember, they're able to learn grammatical structures. They're able to learn and observe and remember them. And my last reason for this is that birds are able to remember and observe shapes and what they look like and the difference between them, such as two triangles, one is red, one is blue. They'll be able to tell the difference. My second reason is because birds can respond to many things and find things funny or fun. Parrots can respond to music. Reason for this is because they are able to listen to each other's chirps, so they respond to that. Birds in nature, or birds will respond to music through dance, and that makes them happy. It gets them going. My second example for this is that through my experience, my birds have learned how to do funny whistles and have learned their names because they know that that's what I say whenever I want to hang out with them or talk to them. And they know that it gets my attention, which is fun for them. My last reason for this is because there was a Russian crow, and it was on top of the snowy roofs, and it would sled down with a bottle cap. And it tried another side, and it didn't have any snow on it, so he tried the side that he tried before because it was more efficient, showing that not only does he know how to have fun by himself, he also knows how to do things efficiently. My last reason is birds are quite complex thinkers. My first example for this is that ravens will call wolves to meals, and they will get them to rip up their prey so that they can have the meat for themselves and they can get to things easily, as well as they'll manipulate other birds that are foragers to get them food, and they will snatch up the food that they retrieved. So there's one thing. My second reason for this is that there is a college student, and she would go into the mockingbird's nest, and she would count the eggs for a science experiment. The mockingbirds eventually caught on to what she was doing, and so they would only attack the college student and nobody else who would pass by. So that shows that they know who she is, what she's doing, and what she means, which is intelligent. And my last reason or example for this is there was an experiment that they did for apes, and the crow family, the birds in the crow family, they all got 100% on the test, showing that they have, like, society, like, they're good in society. So, yeah. Finally, birds are clever. Some may say that birds are just small and dumb creatures who only know how to copy people, but that's not true. These small feathered creatures have been able to adjust to so many things. They have been able to figure out our languages, figure out how to get food that not all animals would have the smarts to get to, and have figured out how to have fun with the little that they have. Birds are imaginative and such complex, majestic creatures in all. It is important to recognize the wildlife around us and realize just how smart these bird brains truly are and forever will be.